Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. I'm very pleased to announce that this channel has recently hit 200 subscribers. Hopefully you can see it written on the balloons there. Sorry, no candles this time. Didn't want to risk burning the house down. But for our 200 subscriber special, I have amassed the longest consist ever put onto one of my layouts. So totaling 8 wagons and 5 coaches. Now, you might have already noticed that one of them is a little mangled. That happened while I was changing the coupling to be compatible with my British rolling stock. It should run fine, but if it acts a bit wonky, that's probably why. Also, you'll have noticed that I loaded some of the wagons. The Oxford Rail freight wagons from the UK are loaded with these little Thomas things that I found a while back, and the wagon is loaded with my NAF Airfix 1400. And I have lined up 5 locomotives of varying size to see if they can tackle this absolute monster. Alright, might be a little difficult to see from here, but the first engine I'm bringing up to tackle this monster is arguably the smallest in my fleet, the Hornby Terrier. Now, I tried to choose engines that haven't gotten much time on my channel, so the Hornby Terrier's hooked up. Let's begin. Okay, it's struggling. Let's give him a little more juice. Okay, ramp it up. Okay, and we'll stop there. It seems no matter how hard the little terrier there tries, it just can't quite manage. Well, that's alright. We still like the terriers, don't we? Let's move on. Alright, next contender is the newest loco on the channel. Play. Alright, as I was saying, up next is the Backman Oliver. He's a bit of a slower one, so give him a little bit of time to couple up. Okay, and let's begin. Sorry, Oliver's acting up, be right back. Okay, let's see now. Oliver's struggling too. Well, no matter. Let's move on. Okay, now, you can kind of see it in the far back there, but next up is the Great Eastern Y14 in Eastern Black. Hopefully that crackling sound will stop soon. Okay, now, the Y14 is a pretty slow model, so please be considerate and allow it some time to pull up. Okay, let's go. It didn't connect. Be right back. Alright, issues resolved. It turns out the Y14 didn't have a coupler on the back. So, let's couple them up and switch directions. Let's go. Oh dear. We've left half our train behind. Okay, we have to go back. Hang on. Okay, let's go again. Oh dear. Even the Y14 is struggling. Alright, let's move on. Well, we're 0-3, my friends. Let's hope our next contender can beat the trend. Or buck the trend, rather. Here comes Lord of the Isles, who hasn't appeared since her disastrous unboxing, where she did indeed fall and lose her dome and pony truck, but she's back in one piece. Let's see if she can tackle this monster of a consist. Oh, it didn't couple. Okay, let's go. Ah, bloody hell. Come on. Looks like I'll have to couple her up by hand. Be right back. Alright, that should have resolved the issue. Let's begin. Ah, we left half our train behind again. Okay, come on, back we go. Ah, another set of couplers I have to fix. Be right back. Alright, hopefully that should have resolved the issue. Let's go. Oh dear. Lord of the Isles is giving it her all, but no good. Well, let's hope the final engine can do better. Well, folks, we haven't had a very successful evening, have we? Let's hope our final engine can turn things around. Here she is, Quicksilver. And honestly, it's a bit of a toss-up between Quicksilver and Flying Scotsman as to which model is the biggest in my collection. So if Quicksilver can't do it, then this has been a very futile exercise, and I'll have to prioritise a 9F in my model buying. So let's begin. Oh, she's doing her best, but to no avail. That's disappointing. So, there we have it. Not one engine could tackle the ultimate consist. That's quite disappointing. It might be partially due to this, or it might be that I need a stronger model. But thank you for clicking in to watch this 200 subscriber special. Thank you for subscribing, and here's to 300. Fingers crossed. Until next time, goodbye.